I'll be teaching you how to make some cheese
You got
grits.
too much water in there. So you're up to 3/4 of a cup.
I don't know that.
There's a 1/2 cup right there.
Okay. Okay.
Because if you get too much,
You only you want a measuring cup, microwave, or some grits. First, put half a cup water in here, put in the microwave, set it for, first you open the packet, and you'll also need a spoon. Open it, pour it in, we'll be all good to go. Like that. See that? Make sure you get all of that, like squeezing all of it out. Okay, next. You just need to.
Making a mess there, buddy.
Sorry, I didn't even know something. Stir it real good.
Stir it easy and don't make a mess.
Until it looks like vomit. Now, microwave for 1.25 minutes. Or more than, it's going to be more than a minute. So, 1 minute and 15 seconds would be half. When you're done, stir it up some more and enjoy. If you like this, I made a tutorial just for you. Bye.